Right now, I'm going to show you how to work with these SharkBite caps here. So I've got some pipes here. We needed to cap them while I did some work, but now it's time to take them off and install the shutoff valves. So here to take them off, they have these little rings here on the back that need to be pressed in. Now you could do that with a wrench, but they also sell these little plastic tools. This one was like 99 cents or maybe $2. Very cheap, very affordable. So this is a 1/2 inch pipe, so this is the 1/2 inch tool here. So all I'm going to do is squeeze in on this, pull this off, but I also have to hold the hose or the pipe here. So in order to do this here, I am going to just squeeze here, right, to pinch in this little ring here on the back, hold the pipe here, and then I will just pull it, and as you can see, it comes right off here, and that's it. So it's got this little ring right here that pushes in ever so slightly when it is pressed. So you can see there, it pushes in just a little bit. It's like a millimeter, and that's enough that when that is pushed in, it releases tension and it's pulled off. So on the inside here, you can see it's got all of the little clamps here to clamp it onto the pipe here. It's actually made some lines here on the pipe as well, and that's how it goes on. And then to install it here, it's pretty much just the opposite. Well, not the opposite. You're just going to hold your pipe here, press until it kind of you get resistance until it butts up there, and then that's it. It is on here, and I can pull with all my might here, and it is not coming off. Now if you don't have the SharkBite tool, you could use a wrench. So what you want to do is tighten up the wrench enough so that it grabs the plastic piece, but it doesn't grab the pipe too much, and then you can push it in and create the same effect there to pull it off. So hopefully that helps. Essentially, just remember there's that plastic ring here that needs to be pressed in to release the grip that it has on the pipe, and then it'll pull right off. So there you go. That's how you either install or remove these SharkBite caps. Hopefully that was helpful.